What's up, YouTube? We are here to talk about something new. For those that didn't know, I used to carry a Vertx commuter sling. Got this bag as a gift, love this bag. Has all the accessories and everything I need, space for everything. But Vertx actually came out with a new bag. And while I love this bag, this at times can be kind of tactical looking. Whereas the Vertx new Navigator bag, could be a diaper bag, even though I don't have kids, could just be just your everyday bag, something, in a nice nylon ripstop material, something that's more everyday. So how do I have this set up? Let's take a look. Love the fact that it still has integrated grab handles in the front, so it can always grab it right there to pick it up. But front pocket, it's all about medical. So I have Band-Aids, tough skin Band-Aids, napkins, tourniquet, chest seals, gauze, marker, allergy pills. It's pretty much just a boo-boo kit and a trauma kit. So that's in that pocket. Second pocket, iPad, zipper compartment with multi-tool, headphones, pistachios, gum, pens, things like that. Just kind of a dump pouch. But the real magic through this rapid access pull is in the back. So in the back, Velcro, I have a magazine holder, and inside of this Velcro holster, we have a firearm. So we also have panels to put body armor, and I believe Premier Body Armor actually has those. In the back, there is a waist strap, and that works in coordination with the actual shoulder strap. So as you have to deploy this, you slide this to the front. If you open this up, it still lets you keep that armor in front of you, but you can access your firearm. So really, really smart and innovative ways to do it. And that pull tab, super big, so you can grab that and just let it rip and you're good to go. Actually has really good texture on it, so if you got to grab it, you can get into that case. I'm not gonna keep doing that because the gun is in there, but a option for those, and it usually has a pass-through for luggage and another handle, so you can actually hang this on the door. If you're in the bathroom and somewhere, you hang it on the strap, so you're not there. It's a pass-through for luggage, so you can kind of just put that on your bag, and nobody's gonna think the wisest of it. It's just gonna be, just a bag. It's just a bag. So just a quick look of the Vertx Navigator in the royal blue. Shout out to Vertx for sending this out so we could try it out. Really excited about giving this some day-to-day work. As a off-body option for those that want to kind of looking at that. I love this bag. It's nondescript, yet super functional. So there you go, Vertx Navigator, and we will continue to test this. Till then, it's Full Metal Sensei from Honey Bear Tactical.